So apparently the Roku Streambar SE is one of the most popular streaming devices right now, with over 10,000 people who bought this just last month on Amazon, not to mention everywhere else. So I thought I would check it out, but is it really worth it? Well, let's talk about it. Normally, this is about $100, but it was on sale, so I only paid about $66. I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information so you can see what the best price is. Unlike the Fire TV soundbar that I tested, this one's actually a 2-in-1 soundbar that you can actually stream Roku from. You don't have to buy a separate streaming device. Nice thing is it streams up to 4K resolution, also has enhanced speech clarity. Supposedly this also quiets loud commercials, which I'm sure a lot of people will definitely appreciate that. Obviously this is going to work through Bluetooth, but it also has Wi-Fi. It's a fairly compact speaker at about 2.5 inches by 10 inches. You can also add the wireless Roku subwoofer to this as well, but it's not going to work with wireless speakers. And just like the other Roku streaming devices, you can use your phone as a remote control if you want to as well, which I think is always a nice feature to have. Okay, yeah, definitely has some weight to it. Has some nice silicone feet on the bottom. It looks like they want you to use the HDMI ARC port, so it turns your TV on automatically. Here on the back, you've got a USB-A port, HDMI, optical for audio. You also have a reset button and where you plug in the power. You also have your base port over here. Has some nice purple accent color there on the inside. Looks like most of this is plastic. Metal speaker grill on the front. I also think the black Roku logo gives it a clean look or design here on the front. Definitely feels like nice build quality for a soundbar this size. Now during setup, it's going to feel like setting up any other Roku streaming device, which is pretty simple with step-by-step instructions. After you finish that, it does a nice little video which gives you a taste of what this soundbar can do. And I have to admit, it sounds really good for such a small speaker, plus it has decent bass as well. You can see as far as the software goes, it's gonna feel and look just like other Roku devices. It feels pretty quick moving around, and the nice thing is it'll install all of the apps that you have on your other Roku devices on the Streambar SE. And when comparing this Streambar to my on Roku TV and other Roku streaming devices, you can't really tell any difference that I've seen. It's kind of hard to show you what the speaker sounds like, but I'll give you a quick sample of the Streambar SE versus my built-in speakers on my on Roku TV, just to see if you can tell a difference. The Streambar SE definitely seems to be quite a bit louder than the built-in speakers, and the sound is directed right at you, which is a nice improvement as well. I'm not quite sure how they do it, but when I switch my TV to my Xbox Series X to play some games on there like Rocket League, the audio automatically goes through the Roku Streambar. Keep in mind, it's on another HDMI port, and surprisingly I didn't notice much delay, but then I was wondering if this Roku soundbar would work with my Fire TV since they would be connected to the same TV, and sure enough, switching this to my TCL 65-inch Fire TV actually works really good with this. Pretty much automatically with no additional setup. Volume, power, all of that stuff works seamlessly. So I feel like that alone is enough reason to buy the Streambar SE over a lot of other what I would call regular soundbars that don't have built-in Roku software. I have to admit, I wasn't sure what to expect from a small soundbar like this, but after testing it on a few things, it's much better than I was expecting. It probably has good enough bass on here that you may not need a subwoofer. Now, obviously, it would take it to the next level if you added one, but I would definitely recommend this if you need a Roku device or if you just want better sound on your TV, because this does both of those things all in one device.